Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, my dear viewers. Today I am going to tell you a very interesting story. The name of the story is Don't Change the World. Once upon a time, there was a king who ruled a prosperous country. One day, he went for a trip to some distant area of his country. When he was back to his palace, he complained that his feet were very painful because it was the first time that he went for such a long trip and the road that he went through was very rough and stony. He then ordered his people to cover every road of the entire country with leather. Definitely, this would need thousands of cowskin and would cost a huge amount of money. Then one of his wise servants dared himself to tell the king, "Why do you have to spend that unnecessary amount of money? Why don't you just cut a little piece of leather to cover your feet?" The king was surprised, but he later agreed to his suggestion to make a shoe for himself. There is actually a valuable lesson of life in this story. To make this world a happy place to live, you better change yourself, your heart, and not the world. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.